Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change and set the first day of week in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and click on language and region, and then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option first day of week. Now simply click on first day of week. Here you can see it will be selected by default Sunday, and if you want to change the first day of week, then simply click on day. If you want to select Monday, then simply click on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. You can select anyone. So this is the way to set the first day of week in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.